Nate, you're finally back on Sunday.
Yeah, finally, it's been a long time coming. No one likes to get injured, but I've been working hard and just focusing on getting back for the final.
How hard was it to watch your teammates from the stands?
Um, it, as I said, no player likes to be injured. It's probably one of the worst parts of a footballer's career. But I was positive. I was just encouraging the team because I want the team to do well. Because we all have an objective. We want to try and play in Europe for next season. So I was just positive.
How are you feeling right now? Are you 100% to the end of the season?
I feel good. I feel sharp. I mean, I haven't got many minutes under my belt. I think I only played 2 games, or 1.5 games. But I feel sharp. I've done a lot of fitness work since I've been out, and a lot of strengthening for the muscles. So I'm sure the coach will just ease me in instead of just playing me straight away.
Your friend Kingsley scored 2 goals after coming off the bench, after coming from injury. I'm sure you want to follow his footsteps.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's my job to score goals, and as you can see, he's on fire. He's been working hard as well because he's been out for a while. But yeah, he's on fire, and I just hope some of his energy can rub off on me when I come back.